At the moment, I'm really just hoping to get more examples of teachers that are doing multimedia projects, and then from that, figure out what sort of supports would be useful for teachers that want to go in this direction. Because a lot of times what happens is by the time someone gets around to talking to me, they're sort of 90% into a project, and so I think that being able to put some resources out and some kind of guidelines about how to do an effective multimedia project would be useful. And then it allows us to explore the question of why we even want to do this in the first place, which I think relates to, as you pointed out, issues around allowing students to find their voice, and to find their voice in different ways, and to express what they know in different ways. There's so many different media to include writing and to include imagery, and that we can use to share what we know. Choosing the right media for your message, given your audience, is an essential digital literacy for now and beyond. So I think that it's important for us to think about media-based projects not just as, this is a fun alternative to a paper, but this is an essential skill. This is an essential communication skill that will only become more and more important. So let's sort of help design that experience so that students learn not just the content, but the sort of the surround of the skill set that then can be transferred to other content. And it's a good example of just sort of shifting, not lessening the focus on content, but just adding, well, maybe lessening it, I don't know, adding a focus, a deliberate focus on building digital era literacies. So.